In this video, we are going to discuss about the intraday stocks for 23rd August 2022 and the day would be Tuesday. Now in previous video, I clearly said that in Nifty and in Banknifty as well, either it will go and 18,080 will be tested on the higher side or it will not touch 18,000. Now you can check my previous video of this channel and you will understand that I clearly said. Now yesterday I couldn't post a video, but on Thursday I posted the video and I clearly said that either it will touch 18,080 or it will bounce, it will just fall from 17,975 level. And as you can see, the high was made 17,992, so it almost touched 18,000, but it did not touch 18,000 as I said. Now going forward, you can see that this is Fibonacci level from the last rally, and from top you can see that 23.6% is at near 17,300. So 17,300 is going to act as a good support, and tomorrow if it comes down, then some support can be created at this level. So till now it is just a profit booking scenario and not a big fall or correction chances are there. So but if this level is taken out, is broken, then around 17,000 or 16,980, this could be the bottom if this level is taken out. But as of now 17,300 looks good. And one thing I want to share with you, that whenever on a day there a big fall comes and not a single sector is in green and everything is in red, that is near the bottom of the market. Means whenever such things happens, even if it's not the bottom, then from there a pullback is expected. So even though the sentiments looks highly bearish at this moment from these two candles, but tomorrow I am expecting some halt candle, like some halt candle or even some bounce back from this level. So that's what I'm expecting. So in 1 hour chart you can see it sharply fell from the top, it sharply fell, and then today it gapped down and then continuously fell. So this could be some immediate bottom, and from there a bounce back may come, and after the bounce back it may continue its fall. But tomorrow I am expecting some bounce back and not the continuation of the fall. So in 15-minute chart you can see what we can do. In 15-minute chart what we can do is, this is the low and this is the high, and tomorrow if this low is taken out on the downside, we can sell, keeping 20 to 25 point stop loss on the downside, and our target would be 1:2 for the intraday. So that's what we can do if it opens flat within this range, and then it makes a price action, or in running candle if it comes down we can sell. But if I said this level is low and high, but if it's taken out on the higher side, then we are not going to buy. We will not buy because immediate resistance is at 17,560 level, so the risk reward doesn't fit. So we can only buy above 17,600 if it's taken out. So and it looks like consolidation. So in Banknifty also you can see similar things happen. You can see there is a sharp fall from the top after a gap down, and there was a window, and this window did not act as support and it filled this gap. So this support is no longer valid. The next support can come around the 38,000 is the immediate support, and below which 37,000 is a support. So and it is also near 60. So if this is taken out on the downside, then we can expect some sharp move, and 37,000 can be the bottom in that case. In that case, Nifty will also come near 17,120 if Bank Nifty comes to this level. So if the falls continues, but tomorrow will not be the fall. But if this 38,000 is taken out immediately, then 37,000 will come in coming days. So if we look at 1 hour chart, you can see a sharp fall came and then it is halting. So generally, if this kind of halt happens, then if it is taken on the downside, then we can expect some sharp move on the downside. If it goes on the upside, we can see some sharp move on the upside. But on the upside now, because of a gap down, a window has formed. So this will act as a resistance area, and this is a support area, and 38,000 is a round level where buyers may be willing to buy. So this 38,750 and 38,900 on the upside. So 38,900 on the upside and 38,000 on the downside. This is going to be a wide range of consolidation. So most likely Bank Nifty will consolidate within this range with a big volatility. So when we will talk about the monthly analysis of September, then we will understand what I am talking about, because the September month is going to be a highly volatile month, mark my words. Now in 15-minute chart, you can see that after the first 15-minute candle, it was kind of a range bound throughout the day. Now it has created a box. Now generally speaking, if this box is taken on the downside, sharp move will come. If it is taken on the upside, some move will come. So if it is taken on the downside, we can sell with 60 to 70 point stop loss, and our target would be near 38,000. 38,000 will be our target on the intraday, near 38,000. And if it is taken on the upside, you can buy, but this high, if it's taken out, then we can be sure that there is some positivity in the market, but this is going to be a strong resistance zone within this area. So with above 39,000 we can buy for positional, but before that I am not interested in buying. But still, for the intraday we can take some steep stop loss and take that risk. And if we go in further down 15-minute chart, you can see this is a very good range of consolidation. Now if a move comes, if a range breaks, a move will come. This may also happen that it goes up and then comes down, but you can see some momentum here. But 38,900 to 38,000 is going to act as a range of consolidation. So today all the stocks are bearish on the downside, so I have got nothing to buy. And whenever these things happen, I said in previous days also that whenever these things happen, we can expect some pullback from here. So two stocks I'll recommend today for an analysis purpose, that Infosys, and you can see that it has maintained a trend line here. Okay, if we draw a trend line here, you can see that it is quite further down for reversion, and then here it has made a high formation, then tested this level and then went up, and now came and is testing this level right now. So if this level is taken out on the downside, we can expect some further downfall, and if we consider this trend line, we can expect the test of the trend line in the coming days. So below 1575 or 1574 we are going to sell, keeping a 3 to 4 point stop loss and 1:2. Then this, if we are taking 3 point risk, 6 points will be your target on the downside. And the second stock is Auto Pharma. You can see here that it has quite made two red candles, and this is a shorter trend line that has been broken and is continuing on the downside. The RSI took resistance at 60, and this is the support area coming next. So if this low is taken out, we can expect some fall further up till 520. So that is going to be a big target, but we are looking for small target on the downside. So below 550 we can sell, keeping a 5-point stop loss on the upside, and 10 point will be our target on the downside. So 1:2 will be our plan for the intraday level. So, and one thing, that whenever these things happen, that all the sectors are down, we can expect some sharp pullback. So if we can see that it is opening with a gap up, or it has opened gap down and then coming up like this scenario, we are going to avoid these stocks because the probability is low on these days. So I am expecting a pullback tomorrow with not so much rise but not so much fall also. It will be a consolidation or some pullback on the upside. So that is my view, and all these are my personal views, and I am going to trade based on my views, and I'll recommend everyone to trade based on their own views, and these are for educational and referential purposes, that if I am able to do the analysis for myself, maybe this analysis will help you, but I am not recommending you to buy, sell or hold any financial instruments, as I am not a SEBI-registered analyst. So you can consult your financial advisor before taking any position. So I hope this video helped. Thank you, good luck and happy trading.